Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max touch screen issue. So guys, if you're expressing touch screen issue on your iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max and iPhone 15, such as unresponsive touch, ghost touches or erratic behavior, you can try the some step to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. First of all, you have to clean the screen. Ensure that the screen is clean and free from dust that might interfere with touch responsiveness. Use a clean, soft, lint-free cloth to gently wipe the screen. Then you have to restart your iPhone 15. A simple restart can sometimes resolve the software-related touch screen problems. Simply tap on your settings, then go back and then go to General, tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to check Update iOS. Make sure your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings, go to General, then tap on Software Update and install any available updates. Apple often release updates that include bug fixes and improvements like touch screen issue. After this, then you should remove screen protector or case. If you have a screen protector or case that covers the screen, it might be interfering with touch sensitivity. Remove any accessory and check if the touch screen issue persists or not. After applying this all solution and still facing the same issue, then you have to check for hardware damage. Inspect your iPhone 15 screen for any physical damage such as crack or deep scratches. If there's physical damage, it may require repair or replacement. After checking your hardware damage and still facing the same issue, then you have to do last solution, reset all settings. If the issue continues, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This won't erase your personal data but will reset your settings to their default. Go to your settings, then go to General, then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset all settings, enter your password and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.